This is Oppo A78 5G, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check the data usage on this device. So firstly, you will need to launch settings, then enter the mobile network category. From here, open the data usage page, and as you can see over here, you can check the data usage for both SIM1 and SIM2. Or, well, just check your general data usage, or mobile data usage, excuse me. On the other hand, if you would like to see the Wi-Fi used, the amount of Wi-Fi used, you will need to get back to the main settings page and enter the Wi-Fi category this time. From here, tap at these three dots, more settings, then just open the Wi-Fi data usage section. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.